These two payphones are at 100 North G Street at a convenience store called Puerto Latino. There's the number 523-9625, area code 360. These have both been disconnected for a long time. Their birthdays were in the 80s, and around 1986. And it looks like they might have gotten some stuff done, possibly in the 90s, or at least that one. There were the 1877 best call stickers on them, and the 5 cents a minute for 50, or for 50 cents or whatever stickers. The closures are both pretty beat up, but yeah, just another update for the Washington State Payphone project. Goodbye, YouTube.